Give thanks. Raising up the spirits. What I want us to do is leave this place, starting with our elder sister. Bring your candle. Place your candle here, one at a time. We're going from to the left. And after you just put it down. And when you put your candle down, then we'll exit.
So put the candle and exit.
And
We have to go in the same order?
yeah, we're going to go around like
Okay.
this. Okay. Put your candle down. And we ask the blessings to be upon you and upon your family. Just come and put your candle down. Ask for your blessings. Kisses. Kisses to the candle. Place your candle. Give me thanks to the Creator. Give thanks to the Creator. Our ancestors that next.
What's next?
When you go out and join the tour guide.
All the way down?